Yun nga. Wet nga siya, no?
Oo, wet siya. You know? Smell naman dyan.
Oh. Hindi talaga yun mag-stick together.
True.
Kasi sila na lang, 4 na lang sila. Or 5.
Baka naman
Pag ito nag-spread out, ako na talaga yung may problema.
Cute. Di ba wet yung consistency niya?
Wet siya.
Ganun talaga dapat siya.
Yes, I rolled on the balloon.
Ninya, which one do you want? The white cookie or the chocolate cookie?
Did you try? Did you try both?
Which one?
Oops,
The
it's kind of
chocolate
hot.
cookie.
The chocolate cookie.
Is this a dumb cookie?
What?
This dumb cookie?
This is brown.
Brown?
Brown yung, brown yata.
Iba ang naririnig ko eh.
But,
Iba
oh,
ang
last one.
naririnig ko.
The last one. Tumahol na. Wala na.
Wala na yung pa-cute-cute ko na
Oo.
composure.
Alright.
Eh,
Diba?
Miss Karen Davila.